Yes, hello. Hello, Mr. President. Yes, sir. I know, sir. Yes, sir, I am on it. Yes, sir. Yes, I'm always down the interview, sir. Yes, sir. At the end of the day, you have a personal assistant, sir. Of course, sir. You can trust me. I am as reliable as the EC, sir. Of course, sir. You can trust me. I'll have a personal assistant by the end of today. Okay, thank you very much, sir. Bye-bye. Good evening. And on whose authority did you come here with?
Oh, I did not come here with authority. I came with a taxi.
Okay. What can I do for you?
Oh, please, I'm just here to interview you for employment.
No, I am going to interview you for employment.
Oh, don't worry. Whichever way, and there will be an interview.
Okay, what is your name?
Oh, my name is Honorable General Nketia.
And how old are you?
I am between 24 to 28 years. But because of the depreciation of the city, you can give me to 23.
Okay, 23 years, okay. Where do you live?
Oh, I live with my parents.
Okay, where do your parents live?
My parents live with me.
Okay. Take your time, right? Where do all of you live?
Oh, we all live together.
Okay. General, come down. Okay. Where is your house?
My boss. My house is close to my neighbor's house.
And where is your neighbor's house?
And my neighbor's house is close to my house. You two, why? Come on, interview. Why?
Okay, hey, don't worry, okay? We agree to disagree, so...
Please, I beg you. We don't agree to disagree. If we agree, we agree. If we disagree, we disagree. I beg you.
Okay. Are you married or you're single?
Both.
How can you be married and single at the same time?
Oh, because I was married, but my wife passed away, so good.
Okay, so what is your color complexion?
No, I was fair, but because of the doomsday, I'm now dark. Because when the light goes off, I stay in the darkness, so it has affected my skin.
Okay. Every young person, has some kind of inspiration, some kind of principle that will lead them to where they want to go. As a young man, what is your motto in life?
Oh, motto.
Yeah.
Previously, I was using Yokohama, but it was consuming too much water, so I have changed it to Damashi.
No, I'm not talking about motto as a form of transportation. I'm talking about motto as a form of aim. A-I-M, your aim.
Oh, aim. Accra internal movement. Now, I don't have any movement to join. I'm now thinking of joining the Mokola women movement.
Okay. Well, what makes you think that you can be the president's personal advisor?
I don't think I can be the president's special advisor, but I think Ghanaians are thinking that I can be his advisor.
Okay, so I'll ask you a few questions, okay?
Oh, okay. No problem.
Okay.
But please, hurry up. I'm in a hurry.
Okay. Nigeria recently elected your president.
Oh, yes, of course.
Yes, and the whole world is saying that they are very much impressed with the way they handle the whole electoral process.
Please, are you asking me a question or you are giving me a statement?
I want you to understand the question very, very well. Okay?
Please, cut it short. You might confuse me. I beg.
Okay, everybody is clapping for Nigerians. They did very, very well. But, Ghana had a problem in 2012, election petition in the court. Suppose we have a similar problem in 2016, and the issue of overvoting comes up. As the president's personal advisor, how would you define overvoting?
Oh, this is simple. I thought you were going to ask me an expensive question. Overvoting is simple. Overvoting is a process whereby if a woman is going to vote and has a baby at the back, it is overvoting.
How can that be overvoting?
Because if the mother is going to cast the vote, the baby will see who the mother is voting for. Double eyes. Overvoting.
Okay. In 2008, you know, the MPP said we are moving forward. Then DC said that we are not moving forward, but we are moving forward in the right direction. 7 years down the line, you think that Ghana has moved forward, and if Ghana hasn't moved forward, I mean, what is your whole perspective about this moving forward?
Let me ask you, where are we moving forward to? Where do we want to go? Do you know what is ahead of you? You don't know. Kwame Nkrumah said, forward, backwards, never. But me, I say no. We should be in the middle and mark time. Because when you stand at the Independence Square and you look at your back, it's the sea. When you go forward, it's the Osu Cemetery. Where are we going?
You know, we have an issue in the government sector, both names. Ever since scandal was the NSS scandal, you know, it has so bad. Both names. As a president's personal advisor, how are you going to advise him to handle those names, you know, in our register?
I will easily tell the president that we should just call all the ghosts and compensate them. Because who invited the ghosts in the first place? It's the human beings. The ghosts were somewhere thinking about themselves. And we invited them. So we should just compensate them so that they will go. This issue of clearing the ghost name for the registers, I don't agree. One day, if the ghosts get annoyed and they go on demonstration, Ghana will suffer. We should be careful.
Okay. Good. That is interesting. You know, I am a bailout, okay? Ghana is going for I am a bailout, and it is assumed that means government must cut off employment. Okay, so that means more unemployment for the youth, more problem. How do you seek to address this issue of unemployment? Because that means that the youth are going to, you know, suffer after school, no work to do. How would you advise the president to address this?
Oh, I'll just tell the president that he should bring the national conference to Independence Square so that the youth will form a long queue. If it is 30 Ghana, you should just share it to everybody. Take your money, that's your share from the national conference, and go and use it for your own life. If you go and you spend it and you don't make any meaningful profit, it's your own palaver.
Okay. Ghana and Ivory Coast. You know we are recently battling over an issue, border issue. How can you advise the president, like, on that issue? How can we win that case?
I don't even know why Ghana, we just sitting down and then Ivory Coast sent that to the World Court. I don't know. See, this thing, Ghana, we have to use what we have to get what we want. Ghana is the gateway to West Africa. Every day we boast about it. If Ivory Coast want to send Africa, we should just close our gates. When we close the gates, we will see where they will pass to the other African countries. We will see they can't get anywhere to go. So I will simply tell the president that we should just shut our gates.
Okay. Doomsor is a big crisis. You know about it. You know, I mean, it's bringing the government down. It has blinded the citizens of Ghana. You know, nobody seems to know what the government is doing because of the Doomsor crisis. How can you advise the president to solve this issue of Doomsor?
Oh, this one, I will not advise the president. I will pray for the Doomsor. Please, shall we pray? Oh, Father Lord, good evening. How are you and your angels? Father, this evening I bring the Doomsor in front of you. Oh, Father, why? In the beginning, you said, let there be light, and there was light. Why are we going through darkness? Father Lord, this evening we send 4 macho men. 4 macho men, they should pick bucket and fetch water to their house and go down. Father Lord, they should feel it, oh. Father Lord, they should feel their house and go down, oh. We down. We down. We just came recently and you broken down. Why? We don't know what to, if you don't rise up to produce energy for the country, we will close you down and we will open the Kalybos.
Dr. Soldier and Nketia, 2 idiots. Thank you very much.
Peter Pan, meter this a girl. This a girl can cool like a cardigan. Peter Pan, meter this a girl. This a girl can cool like a cardigan. Peter Pan, meter this a girl. This a girl can cool like a cardigan. This a girl make a feel like a Peter Pan. Me a get a hitty like a boy cardigan. This a girl show me love before me love me never see. For the winter but me feel like a the Hamilton. This a girl make a feel like a Peter Pan. Me a get a